This 2022 Entegra Coach Accolade 37M is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Entegra coach is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Richmond interior, sleeps 9, TV antenna, smoke detector, DVD player, air conditioning, slideout, self-contained, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, external shower, skylight, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Entegra Coach Accolade 37M is built on a Freightliner S2RV Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7L engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.